George Lopez. It's a party out here. Oh. We got Kylie. What up, Kylie? How's it doing? What up, Kylie? We got Snoop, DOGG. Bow wow wow, yippee yo, yippee yay. Where my dogs at? Right here we got our girl Demi Lovato. What's up, Demi? Oh, we got Halle Berry. What's up, Halle? Oh, we got Will Smith right here. What up, Will? You are a legend. I am legend. Oh my God. Hey, Fallon? You want one? It's because life is like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get. Hey, yo, Mickey. Hey, yo, Polly.